Hi, I'm Dr. Nisha Bali and I'm here. I've just unboxed my powered toothbrush and I'm here to explain you all how to do good brushing and what all things to use, especially during this time when access to the dental clinics is very less. Everybody's trying to limit the exposure outside and want to stay at home. So let me just quickly tell you what all things you can do. So first thing first, I've ordered a power toothbrush for myself. A power toothbrush, while picking up, I have chosen a brush which has a small round head so that it can easily access to all the areas and it is able to clean all the surfaces of the teeth. So the power toothbrush, um, if done properly, is very effective. And how to use it? You have to individually uh, you know keep the brush on each tooth surface. Now let me show you properly how to brush your teeth. You need to understand that our teeth, all the teeth surface is not flat. Our teeth, they vary in the anatomy. Some tooth they are more flatter, some tooth have more, convexity. Some teeth have more wider, surface. So how do we need to clean? Is that the brush? We need to follow the contour of the teeth. You have to individually keep the brush on the tooth and pass it, move this brush along the contours of the tooth like this. Each tooth, don't take the brush like this. You are going to abrade your teeth. You have to clean this surface, then move to the next surface. So keep on going backwards and keep cleaning the front surface. After that, take the brush, clean the biting surfaces like this. Again, individually each tooth surface and followed by the inner surface, which is the palatal surface. Lift the brush while going to the next tooth. Don't drag it along. If you drag it along, you are going to abrade the surface of the tooth and you will end up getting toothbrush abrasions and sensitivity. We have to clean each surface, the front surface, the biting surface and the inner surface of both upper as well as lower teeth. Now the brushing is not the only thing which we are supposed to use. It is very important that we floss our teeth. We have to clean in between the teeth. Now when we are washing our hands, we are giving the importance to clean all around. We are supposed to clean in between the fingers. But your fingers, you can open it and you can clean it, but you cannot open your teeth. So in between the teeth, your brush will not clean thoroughly, and when you're rinsing also, the water doesn't flow in the contact area. So the contact area is very important that you floss it. Now, when you're picking up a floss, it's better to pick up a good quality floss, and a tape form is better than a round cross section. So I am picking up this floss and we need to take around 15 inches length of the floss minimum to do a full mouth cleaning. Most of the patients, most of people, they hesitate to floss. The most common reason which they cite is that the floss may develop gaps in between the teeth. That is not really a truth. I have been flossing for a good number of years and I haven't seen any gap developing in between my teeth because of flossing. So how do we floss properly? I'm showing you a finger method. I've chosen a floss which is wider, so it is tape form, and we wrap the one end around our left hand middle finger, and then we a lot of it on the left hand's middle finger, and then once or twice we wrap it on the right hand middle finger. So after this we close our fingers and we open only the index finger and the thumb, right? So with the index finger and the thumb, it is used to manipulate. So we gently pass it in between the teeth like this. We pass it through the contact gently, we reach till the gum tissue and then we slide it downwards. So when something is stuck here, we fold it on our right hand's middle finger and we unopen the floss from the left hand's middle finger. I'll keep repeating. I'll repeat once again. So you open the fresh end from here and keep going in between the contact area. Clean it and take it out. When it's dirty, you wrap it here and open the fresh end from there. So that's how you need to floss, and it's very important that you floss everywhere, even the back ends, because class 2 cavities are the most common cavities which we see nowadays, and especially during the lockdown. The kids and the adults both have turned up with class 2 cavities. Now, this was regarding the flossing. One quick tip I'll give you, to identify if you're having if you're developing a cavity in the class 2 area. In case while flossing, if the floss is tearing or is breaking, it's an indication that you may be developing a cavity over there, and it's better to take an appointment and show to a dentist as soon as possible. Now, apart from flossing and toothbrushing, one thing which you can also use is water flossing. Now, water flosser is a device in which you fill in the water, and then you choose different modes. And so in my water flosser there are 3 modes. One is normal mode, soft, and pulse. So I generally do it on soft mode, and then you fill in the water and you put it on. The water at its force, it comes out from this tip, and you put it in the mouth and you drag it all around. You just take it all around and you thoroughly rinse your mouth with this water flosser. So water flosser is not a replacement for toothbrushing and flossing. This is an adjunct which will help you cleaning better, especially under the crowns, under the bridges, and in your wisdom tooth area. Now for the kids also, I'm using power toothbrush for my little toddlers, and I am not letting them use it themselves. I am doing brushing for them. So it is quite convenient as a parent. If you want to brush your children's teeth, you can use a power brush. The access is very good and it cleans better, especially the molars and on the inner side, the biting surfaces. So it is quite handy if you want to use it, and gradually once your child has learned how to use and how to take care of it properly, you can even ask them to do it. So brushing is done twice a day, especially after meals. So brush after breakfast and brush after dinner. There's no point cleaning the clean teeth in the morning. So once you have brushed at night, you rinse thoroughly. When you wake up, again you rinse your mouth, then have your breakfast, and before going to office or start working from home, then you brush your teeth and then get busy. Again, after dinner you need to clean your teeth, because it is the night time when the risk of cavity formation is at its peak. To know more, if you have any doubt, you can always contact me in my clinic. You can take an appointment, or you can connect with me through Facebook, through LinkedIn, through any social media platform. Thank you. I hope this video serves a good purpose, and you take care of your teeth in a better way, and you do it like a pro. Bye bye.